How to apply for Citi Double Cash Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about applying for the Citi Double Cash Card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then type in Citi Double Cash Card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Click on the relevant website link that appears in the search results, such as the Citi Double Cash Card Cashback Credit Card. And once you click on it, it will redirect you to a new page where you can find the Apply Now option that is highlighted in blue color. Click on it. You will be taken to a whole new interface where the page contains the detailed information about the card, and review the details carefully, and next, fill out the personal information including your address, phone number, and email address. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box below. And once you've completed all the required fields, scroll down to find the Agree and the Submit button highlighted in blue color in the bottom of the screen, and you will have successfully applied for the Citi Double Cash Card. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.